Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and we're going to wrap up the story about Sacagawea from yesterday. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have finished reading. So if you haven't finished reading the story in my perspectives, that's what you need to do first. You also just need to have this open and ready to reference for the next step. So your first task is to open up the story in my perspectives. Make sure you remember everything, kind of go over and refresh your memory if you've, completely finished reading it yesterday. If you haven't finished reading it, finish reading it, and then you are ready for part 2. So make sure you have this open somewhere. The second part of today's work is going to be taking a reading quiz that we are emailing to you. So you will be looking for the Sacagawea reading quiz in your Gmail inbox. And it will look like this. And you need to fill this out. And I don't know how many questions exactly, but there are 9 maybe, I think. Let's see. Anyway, there's some questions. They are just multiple choice questions, so you should read them carefully, read each answer choice carefully, and then make your decision. It will grade it automatically and it will send us your responses, so it will be quick and easy, hopefully, to see how well you comprehended the reading. Once those 2 things are done, make sure you're marking them as complete, and you're done for today. So have a good Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of the reading if you haven't finished it, and good luck on the comprehension quiz.